My name is Martin from Finance Oracle. I am here again today to share with you beautiful business tips that will help you grow your business. Well, if you're about to start a business or you're already running a business, this is for you. I want to say a big thank you to all my returning subscribers, and to those who are joining us for the first day, I'll say welcome to Finance Oracle. And I will tell you this: be sure to gain insightful knowledge about how to run your business before the end of this video. Well, today we are looking at growing a business through collaboration. First of all, what is collaboration? In my own terms, I would say collaboration is when a team of persons who have similar goal or who share similar vision come together to achieve shared goals. And again, they solve problems and they create values for themselves. This is simply what collaboration is. So whether it is temporary or permanent, collaboration is looking at achieving shared goals and solving problems and creating values. So that means if you team up with one another to run a business, you are collaborating. If you also team up with someone to execute a project and share the profit and part, you are collaborating. Collaboration could be in business, could be in research, could be in whatever it is, but then it is simply sharing the goals, solving the problems, and doing what? Creating values. You know, collaboration is so beautiful and it plays a critical role in modern business today. And you know, it can lead to increase in innovation, improve efficiency, and even enhance competitiveness. So collaboration for me is a great deal. Startups or young business owners or entrepreneurs should think of collaboration. They do not have the capacity or all the skills required to run a business. Well, I would like to quickly look at benefits of collaboration. Of course, there are different kinds of collaboration, but just in a layman term, whatever you do to do a business together or to carry out a task together is simply collaboration. Okay? Now, going back to benefits of collaboration, number one benefit is that collaboration enhances innovation. Wow. Yes, it is true. Collaborative effort brings together diverse perspectives, because everyone will come with their own perspective and will come with skills and ideas. And these diverse perspectives, skills and ideas can lead to development of innovative products and even services and solutions that you may not be able to provide as an individual. So you can agree with me that collaboration brings enhanced innovation. Number two, collaboration increases creativity. Yes, of course. If you collaborate, you realize that a collaborative environment encourages brainstorming and creative thinking. Because now you're two, you're not one, or you're even four, a team of 4 or 5. So each person is going to bring his own collaborative thinking. And you know, brainstorm together, and then you'll be able to realize that you have been able to increase your creativity, okay? Because it is no longer you alone. It is able to generate out of the box solution because people have put in their ideas, their unique talents and give together. Number 3, collaboration enhances problem solving. Yes, it enhances faster problem solving because, you know, as a team, you can collaboratively address challenges and solve complex problems more efficiently than you could have done alone, because you're going to leverage on, you know, a range of expertise and experiences. So with this, you realize that collaboration enhances faster problem solving. Number 4, collaboration brings shared knowledge and expertise. You know, when entrepreneurs collaborate to share their knowledge and skills, you know, it promotes continuous learning and skill development across the organization, because each person will gather his own experience and they will be able to share and learn from one another. So this is how beautiful collaboration is. Number 5 is that collaboration improves decision making. You know, collaborative decision making involves gathering input from various stakeholders, and this will lead to well-informed choice that consider multiple viewpoints. It is not just a choice from one viewpoint, but from multiple research and well thoughtful viewpoints. So that means if we think together and sit in a table to solve a particular problem as collaborators, we'll be able to think and we'll come up with the best idea from our multiple viewpoints. So you can see, if you run a business alone and I collaborate with some other person, chances is that we will become more successful than you are. So collaboration is a great deal. When you have the opportunity, grab it. Number 6, resource sharing. This is what most of us think collaboration is. Oh, come on, I want to invest, I don't have 200,000 naira. Let me get my friend to collaborate with me. It is not just about funding. Of course, resources is not just all about this, but just to say this, collaboration is not all about sponsorship or funding a business, but it has to do with resource sharing and many other things I've said before. But in resource sharing, you can team up a pool of resources, for example, manpower, technology, funding, optimizing resources, allocation. Number 6, resource sharing. This is actually what most of us think collaboration is all about. But no, collaboration is not just about resource sharing. And by the way, when we talk about resource sharing, we are not talking about money alone. Yeah, we think that collaboration is about bringing money together to run a business. But it is far beyond putting money together to run a business. Collaboration itself involves a lot of things which I've said before now. But then in resource sharing, as a team, you can pull resources together. For example, resources such as manpower, technology, funding, skills, optimizing resources allocation, and whatever you can think of. It is this resource sharing that makes some other persons to collaborate because they do not have the skill to market, they have the skill to develop a product, and they need someone who is good at marketing, and by so doing, by collaborating, they're able to get the right person to collaborate with. Number 7, reduce costs. If you collaborate in a business, you can actually share costs associated with whatever business you want to do, be it costs associated with research or developing the business or marketing the business or whatever activity, including paying of salaries and all that. Collaboration gives you this opportunity of reduction in cost, which means you are able to reduce the cost across your team members. And when the profit comes, you share it across the team member, which makes it possible for you to reduce the cost of investment or cost of starting up a business and then be able to achieve your business. Remember a few weeks ago, I said that a lot of people have great business ideas, but they refuse to collaborate and they do not have the resources to start this business. And what happened? Their businesses got buried in the cascade. Their ideas got buried in the cascade. I do not want my idea or your idea to be buried in the cascade, and that is the reason why I strongly call to collaborate when the need calls for it. Number 8 is increased productivity. Increased productivity. Effective collaboration streamline processes, yes, and introduce bottlenecks and enhance workflow. And this leads to productivity and also great outputs, which means if we're able to collaborate, we can individually put in our resources, our energies, our talent, our skills, and all what it takes, and then we are going to have greater productivity. And number 9, collaboration reduces risk. If I run a business alone, I can actually bear a lot of risk or face a lot of risks and challenges. But when I collaborate, then I have gone a long way to mitigate my risk or to share my risk with other team members. Okay? And number 10, right? Yeah, I think number 10, is adaptivity. Collaboration enables business to respond more swiftly, even in a changing market condition. So it also helps to become more competitive because you have people with various ideas, and these ideas are shared together and implemented. It is not just shared, but also implemented. And number 10 is diverse skill sets. Once you collaborate, you see that the team members are comprises of people with diverse skills, different experience, different skills, and different backgrounds. And this helps address a broader range of tasks and challenges. So once you collaborate, you realize that you're going to see people with different gifts, different talents, different skills, and that makes it a great deal for the business to grow. Number 11 is cross-functional learning. Of course, I think I've said this somehow, but then team members learn from each other's expertise and also enhances their own skills and broadening their understanding of different aspects of businesses or different aspects of business. So this is great because it gives you the opportunity to cross-functional learn. Number 11 is effective project management. Well, when you collaborate, you see that people have different knowledge of projects, different knowledge of tax distribution, monitoring, and it results in successful project outcome. Whether it's a temporary project or a permanent project, but be sure to have more success in your business. So this is how beautiful collaboration is. Collaboration can give you the opportunity to grow your business. It can give you the opportunity to start up a business which you're not able to start up alone. It can give you the opportunity to run a business that is almost risk-free, a business that will not collapse due to lack of manpower or resources. But then that is if you collaborate with the right persons. You do not just run into collaboration because there is need to collaborate. Neither do you have to run into collaboration because you found someone with resources. You would have to measure what skills is it that I'm lacking that this other person is going to fill in. It's just like a vacuum and you need to fill it in, right? So you must fill it with the right set of persons. We say a square peg in a square hole, a round peg in a round hole. It has to be with the right set of person. If what you're looking is for finance, then you have to collaborate with someone who has money to invest. If what you're looking for is management or marketing, you have to collaborate with someone who has experience in that direction. So it's not just about running into collaboration and running a business because Finance Oracle say collaboration will help you grow. No, you must do the due diligence that is associated with collaboration. And this you can get online. I mean, if you have not found enough resources here, or you can drop a comment in our comment section and we can discuss about your collaboration need. I hope you have learned something today. And I hope you're going to implement this in your small business, in your big business, in whatever business you do, to ensure that you successfully run your business. Please do not forget to like, share, do not forget to comment. If you haven't subscribed, do subscribe and continue to stay tuned with Finance Oracle. Cheers.